Welcome. In under 5 minutes, I will tell you the bait creating a fun and engaging tank for your betta. So for all you betta lovers out there, we'll be exploring betta fish tank decor and provide you with some creative tips to transform your betta fish's home into a stunning aquatic paradise. So let's dive right in. The key to creating a captivating betta tank lies within selecting the right decor pieces. When choosing your decorations, you want to keep in mind that betta fish do appreciate a balance between open swimming space and hiding spots. Make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know your favorite decor for your betta fish tanks. So here's just a few ideas that can get you started. First up, we got adding live plants. These are not only going to enhance the visual appeal of your tank, but it's also going to provide oxygen and a natural hiding spot your betta fish will love. Some great options for this are Java ferns, Anubias, mosses. Got a whole video on that if you want to check it out at the end. Caves and tunnels are going to be another thing betta fish will love because they do like exploring nooks, crannies, and other places in your tanks. You can create simple ones out of PVC pipe. You can get coconut shells, just many things that can create a hiding spot. Personally, I like sunken log for mine or the cichlid cave. Get a PetSmart. When you pick these out though, just make sure that the opening is large enough for your betta fish to fit comfortably and swim through. You don't want them getting stuck up in there. And then we have natural stones and driftwood. Now, this is going to give you a much more natural look to your tank. You can consider adding things like small river rocks, natural stones, different kinds of driftwood. These are just going to add a nice visual appeal to your tank again and give your betta fish a nice pleasing environment. It's going to give them a nice sense territory for your fish, and it just provides another level of interaction between you and your fish. If you have a betta fish and just a plain tank, nothing in it, you're going to realize your fish isn't happy. It's not going to be interacting with you as much as it will if you even just throw an Anubias in there or a piece of stone or a piece of driftwood. With the driftwoods and your stones, just make sure you're picking one that's not going to be super jagged or hard because you don't want to hurt your betta fish fins. Now that we covered the basic concepts, let's discuss more how you can help betta fish tank be more colorful and just pleasing to the eye. So here's a couple tips to make your tank really pop. Substrates. This is more of a personal choice. You can choose a colorful gravel or a different color substrate. What's ever going to help bring out the colors in your fish or a favorite color that you have. Just make sure the gravel isn't super jaggedy so that it doesn't hurt your betta fins. Backgrounds and posters. If you want to put something behind your tank, this is going to add a nice touch of depth and just give another element of beauty to that tank. Printed backgrounds are great. A poster of some kind. You can choose anything you want, from an underwater scene to some kind of aquascape. Usually I pick ones up from PetSmart. Floating decorations. This is one thing I wish someone told me when I first started keeping betta fish. Bettas are naturally curious fish and they do love exploring the upper surface of their tank. So consider adding something like a floating betta log or a betta hammock. These provide more enrichment for your fish and they sort of mimic their natural habitat. I bought one of these and I did not think it was going to work. Put it in my tank. My fish within minutes was up there swimming in it and it became its favorite part of the whole tank. Now we're going to move more into maintenance and safety concerns for your fish. Now when you're creating a visually appealing betta tank, it's important that you should not forget the maintenance aspects and safety aspects of this. So we're going to talk about a few of the crucial things you want to consider. First up, like every fish, water quality. Maintaining proper water parameters is essential for the health and well-being of your betta fish. Test your water like you would any other tank. Perform your water changes when you have to and just make sure it's clean and a stable water for your fish. Again, avoid sharp edges and rough surfaces whenever you can, especially for betta fish that have more long flowy fins that can get stuck on things. So when you're selecting your decor, you want to ensure that there's no sharp edges or rough surfaces that can harm your fish. So what you can do, simply take the decor in your hand, rub your hand on it, see if it nips at your hand at all. If it doesn't, then most likely it's okay for your betta fish too. Try to avoid overcrowding your tank and creating too crazy of a environment for your fish. It's always tempting to add a bunch of stuff to your tank because you want them to feel secure and happy. But remember, you have to be mindful of not overcrowding and overstimulating your fish. You're going to want to keep a happy medium between a nice open swim spot and that decor aspect, just to prevent stress, which can lead to fin damage and other things in your fish. And when you're picking out your tank mates too, try to pick things that are not going to be too crazy and zipping everywhere and stressing your fishes out. And there you have it. With the right pieces of decor and a little creativity, you can create a stunning and enriching environment for yourself and your betta fish. Remember to always prioritize health and safety of our aquatic friends. To take your betta keeping to the next level, click this video on the top 3 plants you should have in your betta tank. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Happy fish keeping.